we Vasan have created a largest network of eye care hospitals in India, and now that has proved to be the biggest network in the world. This has been confirmed by Pastor Sullivan Company, which is the grading company across the international market. Not only creating eye banks, now we want to create eye banks across Vasan to make sure we provide cure for the corneally blind people. In India, it is estimated that almost 60 lakh people are blind due to corneal disorders, and out of which almost 10 lakh are blind in both the eyes. We are getting only about 20,000 eyes per year across all the eye banks available in India. There is a huge gap between the availability of the eyes and the people who can get it. To bridge the gap to some extent, we are creating a network of eye banks across India. In that eye bank at Secunderabad is going to be the nodal eye bank. Here we are going to train people how to harvest the eye. We are going to train people how to motivate people to donate the eye. We are going to train people how to transplant the eye. All the processes are going to take place in Hyderabad, mainly in the Secunderabad branch, and we are targeting to clear up at least 5,000 corneal blindness every year. This will keep increasing year after year, so that we will be one of the top people in alleviating corneal blindness. Vasan Eye Care Hospital has three models, mainly a tertiary care model and a secondary care model. For each, the Apex model, which is the Apex model for Hyderabad, is there in Begumpet. There we have every instrument available in the world stationed in that branch. Other branches also have instruments or high quality instruments for cataract, diabetic retinopathy, glaucoma and other disorders which are very common. These disorders will almost cover up 85% of eye diseases. So every hospital can take almost 85 to 90% of eye diseases treated there itself, and 10% of the eye diseases we have to transport to places like Begumpet. So this kind of network makes sure we utilize the skills of the doctors and also the utilize the machine to the maximum extent. Thereby we are able to provide the cost of the treatment to the lowest level possible. And there we are taking, not only making the cost low, but we are taking the treatment to the doorstep of the patients wherever they are. We are not only in Hyderabad, we are there in Andhra Pradesh, in Guntur, Rajahmundry, Nellore, Tirupati, Vizag and Vijayawada. We will be starting in other towns also in Andhra Pradesh. Thereby every patient have to travel only 30-40 kilometers to get their eyes treated. That is our target. This kind of environment we have created in Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Now we are creating in Andhra and Karnataka, and we will be spreading it across the northern India also. So every Indian is taken care, and they don't have to go to any other country for treatment. The eye donation awareness is going to be held in different stages. Number one, the print media, the video media, the digital media, internet and digital media. Apart from all this, we are going to go to every village through each individual branches, and they will be propagating with various films and awareness and motivate the people to contact at the time of death in their family, so that we will be able to harvest the eye and deliver it to the required people.